So, I think, yeah, you should be able to hear me and see the game. So, it's 4th of July, 250th anniversary of the United States of America. I gotta turn this sound down, hold on. That's better. Anyways, so, 250th anniversary of America. So, I thought we could go into fireworks mania and do some American fireworks. Which one? I'll do this one. And subscribe. Not to me, to this thing that I'm buying right now, but subscribe to me if you like this video. I sound like terrible right now. Sorry. Why did I pull up the news? Gosh darn it. Hold on. There we go. This game is way too much for my laptop. Don't mind why I have nukes as my mods. Yeah, let's go the town and start. I'm eating some pretzels right now. I like pretzels. You guys like pretzels? Because I do. Review play. I know. It'll get better when we get to actual gameplay. Right now I'm stuck on the loading. German City District. It's kind of crazy. Why they choose that, of all things? German City District. I mean, I have nothing against Germany, but, you know, finally loading town. I hate this game. I mean, I love the game, but I hate how long it takes to load on my laptop. I'll use a good PC someday. We good? We good? No? Okay. Do, 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 do. I've used this, the realistic nuke. It almost nuked my laptop. Not a fun day. Looked cool though. So, take the good with the bad. There we go. What is happening? Hello? There we go. Okay. So, we're going to Fireworks Mania. So I click tab. And then, yeah, I have all these neutrinos, which I think are part of the America bundle. Because we all love America. Let's see what we got here. Jeez. Sam's Gone Wild. That's crazy. Dancing aliens. I love it. Let's do it. I have no idea what this is gonna look like. Pull out my Zippo lighter. Oh, never mind. Launch the aliens! Fire! That is amazing. It's beautiful. It's loud. Okay. Stop. Okay, there's a lot of them. Okay. Chill. What? And we can also send time forward. Okay. Now, it's like 11. No, that's military time. Never mind. Okay, we have more Monkey Boy milk and honey. Jawbreaker. Let's see what else we got here. Firecrackers. No, no new ones. Smoke, shell, mortars, novelties. No. Tubes, fountains, props, rockets. Yeah, let's try this one. The neutrino. Fire in the hole! Dude, the whole town is decorated for 4th of July. Oh. Nice. Also, how they get a freaking American Uncle Sam on top of a mountain? That's insane. Just launch a bunch of them at once. Just like light them all up. Okay, I get out of the way. Fire in the hole. Wildfire. Don't start wildfire. It's kids. That's bad. Wildfires are bad. Kaboom. Da da ba da ba. Firebirds. Fa la 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 la. Wow, they're just everywhere. We're surrounded by American mountains, boy. Okay. So we have these shells, which are pretty cool. Firecrackers is where it's really at, though. Let's do the doom boom, and then we go fill a house with them. That'll be fun. Let's see if we can do that. I might crash my laptop, but whatever. I can buy another one. Oh, I already dropped them. Whatever. Just drop them everywhere. Better run away. Kaboom. Follow. Oh god. No, what did I do? The fence! No! Oh. Man, that took forever to paint. We have a truck. So let's do some American-made rockets. The Slammer. That looks awesome. For America. Nothing more American than shooting rockets out of the back of the truck. Kaboom. Oh god. No, that didn't go right. No! Skip all who? Why? No! Okay, whatever. We have some more cakes to try out. We have Sam's Gone Wild. I gotta try the shotgun crackling. What? It sounds awesome. Does it gonna sound like a shotgun? It better. Fire the shotguns. That was very underwhelming. Thought it was gonna be like a shotgun. No, that was a mouse. Sam's Gone Wild. Sounds great. I placed that wrong. Oh crap. It's gonna fire that house. That was the plan, though, so. There's like, there's a gas station over there. I know what I have to do. I am going to just, like, I'm going to set a gas station on fire with freaking patriotic fireworks. This is gonna be amazing. So the idea is, I go to the gas station, set off some fireworks, and it should blow up the gas pumps. Like, fill the back of this truck with a bunch of firecrackers. This will work. Here we go. Alright, let's use Snapper Red. Oh, those things are minuscule. Minuscule. Whatever. Fill them with doom booms. We're just gonna, like, absolutely cover this truck with them. I wonder if I can, like, get them inside the truck. I can. Oh my god. This game gave me, like, too much power. You hear that? Sounds like fireworks going off. Okay. Let's put some of you guys. Lady fingers and male toes. This is some weird names. Snapper green, snapper purple, snapper red, and snapper white. There should be some blue, so we can do red, white, and blue. Okay. Light them up. Run, 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 run. Oh god. No, no, it's over. Oh no. Oh god. What just happened? Oh, ah. Oh my god. Dude. Holy Magikarp. What just happened? What? Okay, well, that stuff is gone forever. Let's get over there and see what just happened. Oh my god. It's like still in a cloud of smoke. The car wheels. Oh gosh. Oh, yep, it's gone. The truck is surprisingly pretty much intact, minus the wheels and the tailgate. Other than that, it's like still in perfect condition. Sent it to a decently good motor. Crap. Mechanic, and you could have it in no time. Oh. No, maybe not. The suspension is destroyed. Still, decently good mechanic. How is the convenience store safe? Okay, well now you know. If there's ever a nuke going off in your area, hide the convenience store. Also, why do I have this? I don't want that. Boom. Have not learned my lessons. Oh, that didn't sound good. Yeah, I'm overloading this. Okay. Okay, escape. Get out, get out. Get out. Not again, not again, not again, not again. Oh no. And into the forest I go. Like, the screen went blurry, like my character had a concussion. A pawn shop! Oh, by the way, that's completely gone now. Oh, it's on fire. Yay. Open the door! It's like Pawn Stars all over again. Probably gonna give me less than what it's worth. Anyway, that is the end of today's video. Happy 4th of July. Bye.